Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video we are requested to find the following angles: the size of B3, the size of B5, and we need to prove with reasons that HL is parallel to KM. So I think let's identify these angles on the sketch. So the first angle that we need to find is B3, this one here. The second one is B5, and we need to prove that HL is parallel to KM. It becomes quite easy to find B3 if you consider 35 degrees and 110 degrees. You will notice that BPK forms a triangle, and if you extend the line here, you will see that this becomes an exterior angle and these are interior opposite angles. And we know that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the interior opposite angle, so we can just write that down. We can say the exterior angle, which is 110 degrees, is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles, which is 35 degrees plus B3. So making B3 subject, we can say this is equal to 110 degrees minus 35 degrees, which is equals to 75 degrees. And the reason is exterior angle of a triangle. So the second part of the question says calculate with reasons the size of B5. So let's identify B5. B5 is this angle here. So I want you guys to notice that we have a transversal here and two parallel lines. So we have a set of corresponding angles here. If we can find P4, then it's easy to find P5. We can find P4. We can find P4 by acknowledging that 110 degrees and P4 are vertically opposite angles. So we can comfortably say that P4 is equals to 110 degrees, and the reason is vertically opposite angles. So now we can find B5. We can find B5. B5 is also equals to 110 degrees because of corresponding angles. Remember, this is because FG is parallel to JM. FG is parallel to JM. So now we can just note P4 110 degrees. We can note B5 is 110 degrees. And the last statement wants us to prove with reasons that HL is parallel to KM. So they want us to prove that HL here is parallel to JM. I think the approach that we can take to prove that HL is parallel to JM is to show that P1 and L2 are co-interior angles, because we know co-interior angles exist between parallel lines and they form a U shape. So if we can prove that they are co-interior, then therefore HL and JM become parallel. So I think we can roughly find P1. We can say P1 is equals to 180 minus. So P1 is equals to 180 degrees minus 110. Therefore P1 should be equals to 70 degrees. And then L2 is equals to 180 minus 70 degrees. So this is 110 degrees. And this is true. This here is true because angles on a straight line add up to 180, and this is true because angles on a straight line. I think we can just note it here that P1 is equals to 180 minus 110, which is equals to 70 degrees. And similarly, L2 is equals to 1, 110, and the reason is, so therefore we can now say HL is parallel to HL is parallel to JM, or HL is parallel to KM, because P1 plus L2 is equals to 180 degrees, and the reason is co-interior angles. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.